Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be getting some nails on my right hand. And we're going to be using these 5 Angels Tipex Instant Apex tips today. So these are sculpted acrylic tips in the shape square. So I just want to show you on the back of the box here. We've got directions on to prep your nails, ready for tips, and then we've got 2 different application methods, one using nail glue and one using glue gel. We've got contact details there for 5 Angels. So let's have a little look at these tips, shall we? They come in this cute little packaging. I love this. They're really handy to keep all your tips together in, these little bags. So let's have a look at a strip first. So you get 15 different sizes 0 to 14. Like I said, these are sculpted acrylic tips, so they've already got that apex built in that apex area. Now I have already sized my tips up off camera, but I will show you me doing the thumb in a minute, just so I can show you how to size the tips up yourself. So we get 4 strips of 30 tips, 15 different sizes on each side. Now, I have already done a video on these 5 Angels Tipex Instant Apex tips before, where I was reviewing this Tipex Instant Apex kit, where you get everything that you need to apply these tips. But with this kit, you get long coffin tips. So, let me show you the long coffin. So, these are the long coffin. That's size 0, the biggest one. And then these are the long square in size 0. So, can you see? The square looks slightly bigger, slightly wider, I'd say, than the coffin. But what I am trying to show you here is the square have been buffed on that inside where you apply it to the nail bed area. So it saves you having to buff the inside, where the coffin ones didn't have that. So I had to buff the inside myself. So I really like that. It's already pre-done for you now. It just saves a lot of time on your prep work. So that's the glue gel. This is the 5 Angels base coat. It's called foundation gel. And that's everything that we're going to need today to apply these tips. So, yeah, like I said, these ones are pre-buffed on the underside where it attaches to your nail bed. So, to size your tips up, you want to make sure that they fit from sidewall to sidewall. If you find you're in between sizes, which I highly doubt you're going to be, because you do get a lot of sizes in this kit, always go for the bigger size because you can adapt them and make them smaller by filing up the sides of them. Just trying to show you here as well how stiff these tips are. They're really, really stiff compared to normal tips. And I'm also trying to show you how that is flat on the underside. But if you look on the top side, you've already got your apex built in. So that is not hollow. And underside doesn't curve up like it looks from the top side. It has a built-in acrylic apex. These tips feel so strong when you've got them on, guys. They wear really, really well. So can you see that gap between my natural nail and the top of the tip? But there isn't actually a gap. That is full of acrylic. So we are going to be getting these applied on my right hand today. I have already prepped my nails apart from this ring fingernail because I just want to show you my prep routine for applying these tips, but I just want to show you it on the one nail. There's no point me showing you all 5 because that's just going to get boring, repetitive. I like to start off by pushing my cuticles back and then scraping away any dead skin that's attached to my nail plate. Then I'm going to go in with my cuticle scissors and I'm going to remove all of that dead cuticle skin. Now, the dead bit of cuticle skin you will see is the white part of the cuticle. That is the bit that you want to remove. These cuticle scissors are amazing. I got them from Shein. They're only a couple of quid. I will leave the link for them in my description box below, guys, because they have been a game changer to my cuticle prep. So now I'm going in with a hand file, and I'm just using the 180 grit side, which is the softest grit. And I'm just buffing over that natural nail, getting rid of that natural shine, and just roughing the nails up. And that will give the gel something to cling onto. Gel does not like clinging onto like a shiny surface. It likes to have like an abrased surface. So that's that all done. Now we're just wiping away any dust with some isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free pad. And they are all prepped, ready to go now, guys. So I'm going to go in with my dehydrator, which is from Neo Nails. I love this bond system. I don't get no lifting. I don't get no nails popping off with this bond system. It's amazing. And then this is Neo Nails Ultra Bond Acid Primer. Works really well with my nails. Love it. Let that dry. And then I'm going to go in with the foundation base gel, which is the Five Angels base coat. Apply that to all 5 nails and then give them a cure for 60 seconds. We're also going to be taking a look at this Melodysusie P Plus 20F nail dryer as well. So this is Melodysusie's new portable nail dryer, nail lamp. As you can see, it's a portable one. Really great size, really cool shape, really cool design. It is wireless, so it hasn't got to be connected to be used, but this is the cable to charge it with and the plug. I'm just going to show you how to charge it. I have already fully charged mine, but I just want to show you how to charge it. So you plug that in there, that end goes in the lamp, and then that plugs into your plug socket. To turn it on, you just press that button there, and that greeny sort of turquoisey light will come on. Then you slide this round to the side. You've got your 35-second option. You can see, and a 65-second option. Can you see the battery's fully charged as well? So that's the 35 seconds, and then that is the 65 seconds option. But not only do you put your hand under that bit there, but you also have this 1-finger option as well, which I love for curing my thumbs in. You can put it in either side as well. It hasn't got to go in this side. You can also put the thumb in the other side, which it's just really, really cool. Great for curing your thumbs. You can also put 2 fingers in there as well. There's plenty of room for 2 fingers. I really like this. I think it is so cool. And I really like, I'm going to be able to get both hands under there, you know, if I'm using dual forms or trying to cure full cover tips. So we've got all these cool lights, loads of lights there. So I just want to say, this is not a flash cure lamp either, guys. This is a full-on lamp to do full-on cures with. I've cured builder gel under this. I've cured polygel under this. So I don't know what I was showing you there. Not a clue what I was trying to show you there. So we're going to be going in with the Five Angels tip glue gel. So this does need to be cured in a lamp. I'm just going to pop a little bit in that nail bed area, the bit that's already pre-buffed. Just make sure that you get it up them sides as well, just like that. So this is the pinky tip, and then that's about how much you need. I probably didn't even need that much, to be honest. You need the most tiniest amount of this stuff. A little bit goes a long, long way. So then I'm lowering that into my cuticle area at a 45-degree angle, and then pressing it down onto that natural nail, watching that glue gel disperse down the nail, making sure any air bubbles are removed, just like that. And then if you do have any that squidges out around that cuticle area, just wipe around it with something like, I just use my cuticle scraper there. You can use anything really. And then again, just make sure all them bubbles are squeezed out, pop the lamp on and pop it in the lamp. That is it, guys. It's so easy. Feel that for 1 minute. Look at that. There's no bubbles. It's not white. That glue gel stays pure clear, crystal clear, in fact. I've found with some tip glue gels, they go a little bit white. This stays perfectly clear. I love it. So just make sure it's nice and straight before you put it in the lamp as well, because once you've put it in that lamp, you're not going to be able to budge that at all. So always make sure it's nice and straight. How handy was that lamp, guys? I didn't bother showing you all 5 nails. There's no point me showing you all 5 because the other 3 was exactly the same process. So that is the tips all applied. So now I'm just going to whiz around that cuticle area with my hand file, just making that cuticle area nice and flush, making them look as natural as possible. We want these to look like acrylic extensions. We don't want them to look like full cover tips. And that is them all done, guys. They didn't need much filing, just around that cuticle area mainly, just to blend that cuticle area into the natural nail, making them look nice and natural. Yeah, that is them all applied. Look at the apex on these tips. I love the apex on them. They feel so sturdy as well. They feel like you've got like proper acrylic extensions on. I really like them. I really like the shape. They're really nice, good quality tips. I really like the glue gel as well. It's really easy to use, nice to apply. Yeah, I really like these Tipex Instant Apex tips. So what I'm going to do is, in my next video, guys, I'm going to decorate these tips. I haven't got a clue what I want to do on these yet, so I'm going to have a little look about. But for now, that is everything for today's video, guys. Everything that I've used today, I'll leave links for in my description box below. So if there is anything that you're interested in that you've seen me use today, you'll find the links for in there. If you decide to place yourself an order on the Melodysusie website, I have got a massive 12% off discount code for that website. I'll leave that pinned in my comments along with the website link. So don't forget to take full advantage of that. As for this Melodysusie portable lamp, what a really cool design. I really like the shape of it. I really like the size of it. It's great to take about with you. I have got a few mini lamps, but they're only really any good for flash curing. Where with this lamp, you can fully cure gel polish, polygel, builder gel. You could do a full cure, and I really like that. Not only that, but I really like that you've got the one finger function as well. I really like to use that bit for curing my thumbs. I think it is a really cool, powerful portable lamp. So that is everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.